hatuna haraka. Yeah, but I also appreciate Pretty for just supporting me in this journey. Even if we are not in talking terms, trust me guys, I do not take it for granted. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. My name is Nasimiyu. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my space. Karibu sana. I hope that you love it here. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do it here. Welcome back, friend. Welcome back. Anyway guys, I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who's been engaging with my content, liking, sharing, leaving a comment. You know, I do appreciate it. Even to those who took their time to come and encourage me on Instagram, I do not take it for granted. It has really meant a lot. And to everyone who's just following up on me to know how I'm doing, I do not take it for granted at all. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Anyway guys, I know that probably you are hearing an echo on your end. I'm not really sure, but I am shooting this video from an empty house that I will be showing you shortly. This is basically the place where life started for us, or partly started for us. And I mean, we dreamt of going big and all. So I just want to show you how beautiful the space is. I have removed most of my stuff, and Pretty also removed her stuff. So zimebaki tu zile kidogo. Of course it is a 2-bedroom house. Sorry about that. Okay, it is a 2-bedroom house, and I don't think Juniko peke yangu I'll be needing a 2-bedroom house. So I think at some point in time I'll also have to house hunt and all, but sina haraka to be honest. Okay, sina haraka to be honest, because I mean, my landlady is, I don't know, the sweetest human being I've ever met. Like, God bless her soul, because I think when all this situation happened, whatever happened, she was the first person to call me, check up on me, whether she even offered to give me a different house, which is our 1-bedroom. But now I was actually thinking of maybe moving to a different county, like maybe Mombasa. And this is something that I actually wanted to do even before the whole situation happened, but I'm not really sure. Nakwambia watu wanajenga. Yeah, it's actually the neighbor hapa kando. I'm not really sure if Mombasa is really good for business, ama ni good too for soft life pole bila stress. Just let me know, Nairobi or Mombasa. Anyway guys, let me show you around the house. Msimind kuna places still bado hazijakuwa cleaned, but I'll organize that as soon as I can, because hatuna haraka. Yeah, but I also appreciate Pretty for just supporting me in this journey. Even if we are not in talking terms, trust me guys, I do not take it for granted. So without talking too much, sinaonyesha pali tulikuwa tunaishi. Now in case you want this house, because I mean, whether it's a mob, like, okay, not really mob. I think zimebaki maybe 4 or 5, because it's a new apartment in Utawala. Let me just show you, and I hope you'll fall in love with the space. Yeah. In case you're interested, unaweza kuja uishi. So my loves, the first room that you get to see just right after entering the door ni the living room. Peep that ceiling, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the paints on the wall. Ona hiyo color, I had to show you a sneak peek of the kitchen. Please don't mind the dirty floor. Unajua tu vile moving inakuanga, vitu zinamwagika and all. But I'll sort that out. Back to the sitting room. I think the landlady was going for a black and white theme with a touch of grey. Junona the wall. Siko sure kama hii wall niseme ni white ama ni not sure, but the curtain rods as you can see ziko black. The door is also black in color. Na even inatoshana in case you are interested in knowing about the size of our previous house. Your view. Pole 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 pole. Yeah, what do you think about the house, by the way? On a ceiling. I really, really loved this house, to be honest. I'm also about to show you the view that we were getting. Well, ni view tu ya livestock. Pale unaona kondoo ni kondoo ama ni mbuzi. Inakula nyasi. But there's inakuanga so many. I don't know why today ni moja. Anyway, back to what brought us here. On a tiles the floor. I really loved the tiles as well because could decorate the house easier because colors si mingi. Then this is the kitchen. Of course, forgive me for the messy floor. Look at the kitchen tiles, whitish in color with some bit of gray. Then we have a lot of storage, guys. And when I say a lot, ona zingine hapo chini, more at the top, like it has a lot of storage. And I also love the kitchen countertops. This is what actually made me to fall in love with this house. Like, I don't know, the design was just top notch. Kwanza hii kitchen. Of course I had to open. Uko kwa cabinets ndo at least muone vile ndani inakaa, how spacious it is. Yeah, what do you think about the house? Mimi yaki the kitchen had my heart. It still does, but oh well. Of course, more storage. And then there's also this part at the corner, which I'm just showing you now, ndo hiyo. Enye, if you want to connect the gas, unapitisha the akoka, initonga pipe ama initonga nini? Apo, more storage again. Nakwambia landlady hii nyumba alitupatia storage kama kitu ingine. Because actually all the houses zenye ziko huku, ziko na all that space. Then right after that, after the living room, we have this extra space over here. Niko tempted kusema corridor lakini sijui ama ni entryway. I don't know guys. Juu mniambie inaitwa aje. And then on the far left, hiyo ni bathroom, and then as I said, it is a 2-bedroom house. So cha tuanze na bathroom. Hivyo ndo inakaa. Tebu angalieni hizo tiles za ukuta na tiles za floor. Actually, I was so in love with this house, guys. Hii nyumba, yes, naiwacha, but I really enjoyed living here. This is that kathingi that the landlady had to put for us ndo tuweke our, vitu za huko ndani. But this is just basically how it looks like. Of course, I had to check myself out in the mirror. Where? No blowing kisses because I love you guys. Yeah, so basically, this is how the bathroom looks like. Ni bathroom na washroom combined. But I don't know, siwezi sema ati it's small because I just felt like still space ilikuwa inabaki ya move around. So yeah, I was okay with it. Or rather, we were okay with that. So, what do you think about the bathroom? Do you naonyesha the general outlook? Wow, just wow. I really loved this one. God knows how much I loved this place. Ona milango. I just loved everything about it. Then by the way, hakujai kuwa na shida ya maji. Nona. Haya, tuacha twende basi to the first bedroom. Ta-da! Well, not that big, but inatosha bed ya 4x6, I think. Lakini hakutakuwa na space a lot ya kumove around. So if you want this room, you might want to consider having like a small, inatosha 5x6. But if you want to this room, you might consider getting like a maybe 4x6 kwenda chini kind of bed. Ndio hiyo closet. It has a lot of space as well. I had to open the other side to show you pia. Ona pia ceiling, like the designer wa hizi nyumba really thought through. Yeah, then of course hapo unaweza maybe my socks ama yeah, those kind of stuff. So yeah, generally even though bedroom inakaa, this is the first bedroom. And then I'll also be showing you the mirror in a few, because every bedroom iliekwa a mirror so that we can be looking nice before we leave the house. Ndo hiyo mirror actually. This is actually something that we had requested by the landlady. Now she was like, yeah, sure, I'll put a mirror in every house. And she did that for us. On to the second bedroom. Though sijamaliza kutoa vitu huku, bataya tuingie. As you can see hapo kuna viatu zenye bado hata sijamaliza kuzitoa. I'm thinking of maybe giving out others but I'll figure it out. Sijamaliza kutoa. I also have clothes in the closet zenye sijamaliza ku unpack, but oh well, pole tu, no pressure. It's just like the other room. Unaona theme bado tu ni hiyo whitish na black, na lakini bedroom ziko na a touch of that kind of brown that you are seeing, which is, I think, aesthetically pleasing. Anyway, my loves, I'm hoping that you did enjoy this content, or should I call it a mini house tour? I don't know. Again, thank you so much for the support that you have been according me. I do not take it for granted. In case you do like my content, feel free to like, share, leave a comment, but try to keep it as respectful as possible. And yeah, let me know what other type of content would you like me to share with you. I'll definitely share with you when I'm going house hunting, once I'm done like packing the remaining stuff and all that. But please, I still need your feedback. Kindly. Your suggestions would really mean a lot. Nairobi or Mombasa? Yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart.